into this mix, to see it come off today?
I mean, it's been immaculately well organised. I mean, everything has to go right to do this. But I think it's so nice to see the pacers being part of this, because normally running is such a solitary sport. You run for yourself, and here they're all running for someone else, and they are just so full of enthusiasm. These, you know, the pace guys are all world-class athletes. They're the best athletes in the world, and they're all running for Eliud. They've never done anything like that before. It's almost like a new sport for them, you know.
Congratulations. I know you've got the presentation to do as well. Thank you so much, Jim, and well done. And well done to you and all of your team, because
You have just made history.
Yes, yes.
You've become the first man to ever run a sub 2-hour marathon. You've done it.
Yes.
How are you feeling?
I am feeling good. It has taken 65 years for a human being to make history in sport. After Roger Bannister made history in 1954, it took another 63 years. I tried and I did not get. Now it's 65 years. I have tried. I'm the happiest man to run under 2 hours in order to inspire many people, to tell people that no human is limited. You can do it. I'm expecting more of the athletes in peace all over the world to run under 2 hours after today.
I mean, what incredible words. Inspiration doesn't do it justice. How hard was that run? How are you feeling at the most painful part?
Actually, I can't say, and I can't find, but the first thing is when I woke up at 4:50, to actually the starting time, that's 8:15, it was my hardest times before the start. The time, actually, it was 2 hours, but it was like 30 minutes, so it was the hardest times. But all in all, the race is actually, the first kilometer is really hard the way it is. It needs actually the perseverance, it needs dedication, it needs the hard run. Yes.
Your pacemakers were fantastic, start to finish as well.
Absolutely. Remember, the 41 pacemakers are among the best athletes ever in the whole world. From the Matthew Centro, it's the one with the Olympic champion for 1500, to all the marathoners and everyone, they are the best. I can say, I want to say thank you for them. I want to appreciate them for accepting to do the job. And together, it is not, I'm not telling you, we made this two together in this one.
And to see the reaction that you had, especially from Kenya, with you growing up with a single-parent mother, you're a proud member of the Talai clan. What does this mean to Kenya, especially?
It means a lot to Kenya. I wanted to run under 2 hours in order to tell Kenyans that everybody can step out of this store and actually think positively, do what's required by a human being to do, and all of them can earn a good life. And together, you can make this world a running world. And after making a running world to this world, you can make this world a beautiful world and a peaceful world.
It's a genuine joy talking to you. It'd be remiss of me not to mention your wife and your 3 wonderful children as well, though.
Actually, my wife and my 2 children are giving me more support. I'm happy for them to come and witness the history. They will be among those who made the history. I'm happy for them.
And just finally, Eliud, what image would you like us to take away from this? You genuinely made me cry watching you cross the finish line. What would you like us to remember about this?
Actually, I want to say the positivity of sport. Actually, I want to make the sport a clean sport. I want to make sport an interesting sport whereby all the human beings can run, can wake up very early in the morning, to run. And together, when you run this world, you can make this world a beautiful world. You can kick away most of the diseases by just running. It will be a beautiful world.
It's a privilege talking to you. It was a privilege watching you run. And on behalf of every athletics fan around the world, yes, thank you very much.
Thank you too. Thank you very much. Thank you to the whole world. Thank you to those who watched me through Facebook, those who watched me through YouTube, those who watched me live. And I can say, actually, I am appreciating your time that you sit behind your TVs, behind your mobile phones, behind everything, even following through Twitter and everything, that you have made history together, and together you can make this world a beautiful world. Thank you very much.
Eliud, you were great before, you are now an icon. Congratulations.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Immortal.
And very clever people around Team Ineos made sure that he had the conditions and everything was perfect. But actually, what they couldn't determine was the weather. And we didn't expect the fog, and we didn't expect the damp, and we didn't expect the humidity today. And maybe that was another 10 or 20 seconds up.